So my name is Bryson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your football gloves and get them sticky again. So here we go. So first you'll need Dawn or dish liquid, and what you'll need is a sink, obviously, and your gloves. So what you want to do, you want to put the gloves on first. Make sure they are strapped tightly. And once you're done with that, you want to turn the water on all cold, as cold as you can get it, and then just basically rinse the gloves off. And then once you do that, you want to take the Dawn, or whatever dish liquid, or soap, and you just want to pour it on. And you want to rub it in real good. And you want to give it back too. You want to get everywhere. So even right here in the Velcro part, you can get stuff stuck in it sometimes. Then you want to turn the cold back on and just wash it until you feel like it's good enough. Then you just want to pat it out like this. You want to go over and dry it with a towel. Just wait about 1 or 2 minutes, and then they start getting sticky again. Hear it? You just want to rub them together. And if you didn't get all this off, then just put it on the Then you just want to rub them and let them air dry. Then you want to set them down. You want to set them down to where the sticky side is up. So that is the end of the video, guys. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and I will see you soon with another video. Oh, by the way, this is mainly just a football video and a football channel, basically, because I've played football for a while now, and this is basically just a football channel. So don't forget, guys, keep God number one. Peace out.